just made garlic spinach beurre blanc trout. So it says it's an intermediate. I actually think it's an intermediate because it was needing more pans. You had to deal with more pans than just one. Their cream or their topping looks more like a cream and mine looks more like a butter. And they provided us with a green bell pepper instead of the red, and you can see that it is definitely more colorful with that. But I'm excited because I loved the trout last time, and I'm excited for this time. Let's eat! So let's try my treat. The trout is really good, like always. With the spinach or I should say that I'm going to call it spinach sauce, but the sauce with the trout is like really, really good. Now time to try the zucchini side. Big bite. It needs a little bit more seasoning, but other than that, it's like super duper amazing. So this is definitely a keep. And we'll just see you in the next time. So bye! So we just made Kong Pao shrimp. It was really easy. It says it's an intermediate. I think the thing is that it says it's an intermediate is from the popping from the shrimp. It's pretty easy after that, really. So we went ahead and used the green bell pepper instead of the red. Like, it doesn't really pop as much as the picture shows. I'm not really a shrimp eater, but I'll give it a go. So first I'm gonna do a bite without it. If you can see, it's already, like, it's still hot. Like, I think the rice tastes really good. It's just good. I don't really know what to change about it. It's not magnificent, but it's good. Now for my not favorite part, the shrimp. Here we go. A bit into it. It's so cold.
Here, let me taste it. So I don't know Kung Pao shrimp, but the allspice or the 5 spice in this is a little bit much for me. It's a little bit much. But overall, not terrible. Would I choose this again? No. Maybe a different seasoning, the same kind of thought process. I do like the crunch from the peanuts. The bell pepper's a little bit bitter, so that's a little bit hard to get past also. But it's not terrible. It's definitely edible. That 5 spice is quite overpowering. So, not a full win for us. Plus, Ellinor doesn't like shrimp. However, the rest of us do. So we'll see how it goes. I guess we got this one out of the way. It's only up from here, right? And I was the most excited about this one, but that's all right. So we'll see y'all back tomorrow.
We're back. I just made corn and steak strip risotto. Risotto. I don't know if I ever have had risotto, but Gordon Ramsay people in your country, I don't know what's going on, but okay.
I think he lives in America now, but okay.
I'm excited to try it. It says it's an intermediate. On this, it looks like it has more sauce and a little bit more color. But we'll be good. Let's try it. I hope the steak is as good as last time. And Mem, we need to get risotto, what's it called? Pan-fried sauce?
Dumplings? Huh?
No, like pan-fried, like the seasoning we used.
For what?
The steak.
Oh, pot roast seasoning.
Yeah, we need it. We need
Okay.
pot roast seasoning.
It's gonna be hot, honey.
Uh-uh.
Okay. That steam coming off of it says differently. Is it just your dragon breath?
I took a big bite of rice. I can't even taste the steak. I can only taste the sauce. The sauce is good. It tastes something like something I've had before. The rice is good. It's mouthful. Ooh. I don't know what I just got.
Corn?
Maybe.
Cheese?
No. The cheese is a lot. I think we could maybe go down a little bit. That's like really weird for me to be saying because I love butter and cheese. I don't know why. The steak is really good. I feel like something needs maybe a little bit more seasoning, like I always say. We will see y'all next week. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da.